In this video, I'll show you how to activate Eye Comfort Shield on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, S26, or any latest Samsung device. If you use your phone at night, this feature helps reduce eye strain and makes it easier to read in low light by adjusting your screen's color temperature. What is Eye Comfort Shield? Eye Comfort Shield reduces blue light and makes your screen warmer, which is much easier on your eyes, especially at night. Method 1. Enable Eye Comfort Shield from Settings. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Display. Now scroll down and tap on Eye Comfort Shield. Turn on the toggle to enable it. You'll see two options: Adaptive and Custom. Select Adaptive if you want your phone to automatically adjust screen colors based on the time of day. During the day, slight changes. At night, warmer tones for better comfort. Select Custom Mode. If you prefer full control, choose Custom. Here you can adjust the color temperature manually, cool to warm. Set a schedule for when it turns on. Tap on Set Schedule and you'll see Always On. Sunset to sunrise. Requires location on. Custom Time. Set your own start and end time. Once set, it will automatically activate based on your schedule. You'll also find an option called Enhanced Comfort. Turn this on to further adjust colors and contrast for a more comfortable viewing experience at night. Quick Toggle Method, Faster Way. For quick access, swipe down from the top of your screen twice to open the Quick Settings panel. Look for Eye Comfort Shield. Tap once to turn it on. Tap again to turn it off. That's it! Now you know how to easily enable and customize Eye Comfort Shield on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series.